And this video is me doing this look and having a bit of a meltdown over the goddamn eyeliner. But we got there in the end. We got there. It looks good, in my opinion. Also, I wanted to just do something with this wig that I got. So if you've got yourself a little drink and you've liked the video already, because you know, why wouldn't you? Look at the look. If you subscribed, let's get on with the video. Hi guys, how's it going? I kind of wanted to like do Bimbo core. If you don't know what Bimbo core is, it's basically taking back Bimbo and the word Bimbo, but also just pink, Legally Blonde, Elle Woods, that kind of vibe. Clueless, very clueless looking clothes on at the moment. Also, if you haven't listened to SceneQueen and you enjoy some rock music, that's basically what I'm trying to get at. Imagine Pink but angry, like the singer Pink. Let's not go off on a tangent. I have a knack for doing that, don't I? Just going off on one. Am I sorry? No, that's basically just me. Let's do a look, okay? You've probably already seen it, but here's the tutorial for the look that was in the beginning of the video. Okay? Okay, let's get on with it. So now that I've got like the base and everything on, I'm gonna do the eyes, the fun bit. We're gonna start with a bit of pink primer. I always put too much of this on, so let's just start with a tiny little dollop because this stuff goes far. I think that's the least amount of that product I've ever used on my eyes. Because I did it right this time. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my trusty Rainbow Revolution palette. We're going to just do pink because this is a very pink look. If you don't like pink, then you should just leave. I'm sorry. Where should we start? Luckily though, I love pink, so this is going to be fun for me. The eye primer really does bring out the pigment in stuff. Eyeshadow. It's the ultimate pigment base revolution, and it came in like a pack of 5 different colours, and honestly I'm obsessed with these primers. I always use them. Now I'm going to do a bit of a lighter pink because if you know me, I love my gradient like eyeshadow. I really do. It's what I do in every single look I do. Because I just love it. I love the effect it gives your eyes, and it makes your eyes just look bigger. Or I think so anyway. Okay, I'm going to just put a bit more darker pink on the outer bit. Now let's just blend that in. Okay, now with my You Can Be Spotlight palette, I keep meaning to like look these up more because this palette's actually really good, and I got it from my aunt in America and I've never seen this brand before, but genuinely I love this palette so much. So I should probably look them up, shouldn't I? But we're going to just do a bit of like a shimmery pink in the corner. Like so. I like making my eyes pop. You know? Not out of my head. Just off my face. What? Now I have a rainbow highlighter from Revolution again. This is a very old highlighter, so you might still be able to get it or get something similar but different. And I'm going to put this on the corner of my eye. Okay, let's get rid of all this excess powder and eyeshadow off my face. I fit in eyeliner for this look, my Clueless eyeliner, which is running out, and I keep meaning to get another one, and I keep forgetting. I'm gonna do a big wing, I think. Yeah, and really try not to mess that up, though I think I already did, but it's fine. It's fine. Just gonna... Oops. Yep. We're all good. If it's messy, I'll just fix it. Maybe my hooded eyes really do be testing me when it comes to my eyeliner. Like, it does my head in. Is that better? Maybe a little bit. It might be leaking. Maybe just a little bit. Let's try to do the other eye without it leaking all over me, and hopefully I can do it the same. When you do the first eye like garbage, but then the second eye, so then you have to go and fix the first eye. It's great. We love it. We love it. We love it. This is why I don't show like how I do my eyeliner all the time, because this happens. I'm no good at it. I genuinely am like the worst when it comes to eyeliner. Like, seriously. I didn't really have a plan for the eyeliner, but here we go. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be, but it looks pretty cool. I hate how the lighting is. Hello. The lighting is garbage. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I think it does anyway. It, considering the annoyingness I had over here, it looks pretty cool, and now I need to put some more pink on that side. Alrighty then, almost done. Almost done. I kind of wanted to do like a thing at the bottom, but I'm too scared to do it. Just go for it. Like that, and then I'm gonna pull it out a bit underneath this one. Voila. And then if we do some lashes like so. Here is the finished look. I just need to like take a moment to appreciate this. I need to like sort this wig out because like, yeah, I don't know if I need like glue, but I don't want to glue it to my head, but then it's like, it would look better if I did. But anyway, here it is. Here it is. What do you guys think? And that is the video. So thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way through, I love you, I love you, I love you. Don't forget to like this video. It really does help the channel out. If you haven't subscribed yet, come and join the Cute Squad. Also, if you want to be like an official member of the Cute Squad, look at my description. Look at the description. That's it. Just have a lovely day. Have a really, really, really lovely day. Bye.